The three main types of app development are native, web, and hybrid. Native apps are developed specifically for one platform, such as iOS or Android. They are written in the programming language of the platform and have access to all of the platform's features. Native apps usually provide the best UX because they are designed specifically for the platform they are running on. Web apps are not specific to any one platform and can be accessed from any device with a browser. They are written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and do not have access to certain device features, such as the camera or GPS. Web apps can be designed to look and feel like native apps, but they will never be as responsive as a true native app. Hybrid apps are a combination of both. They are written in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but they are packaged inside a native app wrapper. Hybrid apps provide a good compromise between native and web apps, but they can be more difficult to develop than either type of app.